Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine like me today because I have a very interesting topic that you can learn this language at your home. Yes, you are hearing right that you can learn this language at your home. So personally, I want to tell you that in my home there is no one speak English. They are educated but they have a fear of speaking. I want to learn this language because I love this language. Just by this I am learning this language. So in my home there is a no environment, and I know you don't have environment. That's why you are watching my videos. So here guys, I want to tell you how I am make a environment so I can learn this language. And nowadays I don't have any problem because I can say that I have an environment. I can speak whatever it's coming. I can speak. So here I want to tell you that you need only one thing, that is confident. You can learn this language at your home if you have a smartphone, if you have a internet. By using this you can learn this language because I am using both of this, internet or phone, smartphone. So here I want to tell you, I cannot go outside because I am a marriage, a mother of a son. Yes, I you can say that I have a marriage, I am a married and I have a son, and he is only 1 years old, so I cannot go outside. So this is my personally uh, personal thing that I cannot go outside to learn this language. So should I stop my journey here just because of I have some responsibility of a mother of all house chores work? No. So here, how I create my English environment at my home. So that thing I want to share with you, and seriously guys, it's help you a lot if you follow this technique, because it's helped me a lot. Personally, it's helped me a lot because when you will see my first video, you can see there I I speak, but I don't have that much confidence. But now I can speak. I have that much confident speak. I have that much confident to speak with anyone. Okay. So here I want to tell you how I am how I am making my environment at my home, what I am doing to learn this language. So here, if you like this video, you can like this video. If you want to see my more videos, so you can subscribe my channel also. First thing what I am doing to learn this language is reading. Yes, if you want to learn this language, you have to read. Here I don't want to say that, I am not saying to you is you have to read whole day. No, I'm not saying that. At least you can read 10 minutes in a day. Now it is possible, you can learn, you can read 10 minutes. Now here I am not saying to you that you can read a book. No, it is very difficult to handle a book if you are a beginner. That's why I'm saying to you, everyone has a mobile, every time is in his hand. Yes, right or wrong? Right. So whatever, whenever you have a phone, you can go on the Google, whatever you want to get knowledge. Suppose that if I want to get knowledge about some recipe, so I can go on the Google and I ask him, I want to make a aloo ka paratha, so what can I do? So there are so many recipes. If you will write in English, so answer will be on English, so you have to read on that. Now this is my personally thing what I am doing. If I want to make my if I want to do some exercise and I want to know that ma'am, sorry, so if I wants to wake up early in the morning, so what should I do? I will go on the Google and I will write, if I want to get up in the morning, what should I do? So their answer will be on English, and I will read loudly. So that's thing I am doing. Of now, you can choose your interest, what you wants to read. Now here I am not saying to you whatever, if it depends on you, whatever you wants to read, you can go on the Google. I know it is very hard to handle a book. Now it is very easy. You can go on the Google and you, whatever you wants to read, you can start reading. Now it's very easy, and you can read 10 minutes or whatever you like. You just need to read. The second thing, you have to listen. Now here I am not saying that ma'am, there are so many students, they are watching English movies, English web series, English podcast, English whatever you like most. Here, if you are a beginner, if you are like me, I cannot say myself I am a beginner, I am advanced, I'm in the middle. I can speak, I can understand, but if I can say I am a fluent, no, I am not, because I am also learning this language. So what I am listening nowadays I am listening podcast. And now guys, here I want to tell you, here I subscribe a page, and that page name, and that YouTube name, page name is Well Talk. Seriously guys, it's helped me a lot, because there is a debate, and there is a sir, his name is Kef sir. He make a very good debate in his coaching. There is a very good debate going on, and I love it. And I don't know how might 15 or 30 minutes gone. I don't know, because I love that debate. And just because of that debate, I get so many ideas on that. So guys, here I want to tell you that don't need to go on a podcast, web series, no. So here, this is my interest to understand, and here I can say that I love that. I love Mr. Capser videos, because there is so many knowledge. I can get so many ideas on that. If you like, please visit one time, then tell me, is it helpful for you or not? Because it's helped me personally, it's helped me, and I watch his videos all the time because I have interest in that. So this is my second, personally what I am doing. So here I am sharing with you. If you have some interesting page, so you can share me, you can tell me in a comment box also. Okay. And the third thing is my personally favorite, because this is I am doing every day because I loved it, and that is writing. Now there are so many person, they wants to say that writing, who wants to write? No guys, it is very interesting that if you write something, you you can write that English in English, you can write in English, and then you will think. Yes, if you will think, then you can write. And nowadays what I want to tell you that what I am writing nowadays, what I am feeling. Suppose that whatever I am feeling, so I cannot go, I don't want to share with anybody, so I can start writing. Nowadays I am making videos, by just because of making these videos, I start writing. And nowadays first day I write only 3 or 4 days, and now I wrote 2 and 3 pages every day. I don't know how it's happened, but just because of writing, I write. I love to write, and now I love to write. You can give me any topic, and I can start writing whatever I am feeling. Whatever I am feeling, I want to like this, I want to do that. I don't know what should I write, but I start writing. And now you have to think, if you want to learn this language now, you have to write. If you want to If you want to, suppose that if you want to learn skincare, so you can start, today I want to do this. You can use you can write your daily routine in that book, in that notebook. Now it is very good example for you. You can start by using this. Okay, this is, I am personally, I am doing, that's why I'm saying to you guys, please do this.